Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best printers in 2022. I've made this list based on price, performance, reliability, ease of use, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use printer, the best printer you can buy, or anything in between, we'll have the perfect option for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, quality printer to get the job done, the HP DeskJet 3755 Compact All-in-One is the best budget printer in 2022 for you, in my opinion. The wireless DeskJet 3755 offers all-in-one versatility and solid overall performance in a space-saving design. You get a useful companion app to print from your phone, a free 4-month instant ink subscription for peace of mind, and a solid maximum page capacity. It has a lightweight build with a compact form factor, so it's an excellent choice for limited spaces. I like that it's compatible with the HP Smart Companion app, which allows you to print, scan, or make copies directly from your smartphone, and you can enable Alexa for hands-free control over your printer. While the display screen is small and hard to see from some angles, it offers 8 buttons for added functionality, including a start and stop mode and options for black or color copying. You can also sign up for HP's convenient Instant Ink subscription that automatically ships cartridges when your ink levels are low, and you get a free 4-month subscription included with your purchase. It doesn't deliver professional-grade or workhorse performance, but it still produces impressive images considering the affordable price. It does well with printing photos, and it delivers respectable results with decent color accuracy despite the limited array of ink tanks. It also offers decent quality with text and graphics, so it should be suitable for most casual printing applications. The input tray can hold up to 60 pages at a time, and the fold-out output tray has a 25-page capacity, which is comparable to competitors in this range. You also get a printing speed of 8 pages per minute for monochrome images and 5.5 ppm for color prints, near universal operating system compatibility, and a 1-year limited hardware warranty for peace of mind. The HP DeskJet 3755 offers solid performance and an impressive feature set at an affordable price. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use printer to get the job done at an affordable price, this will be a great option for you. If you want something with better all-around performance that has the quality of a high-end printer at an affordable price tag, you may want to check out the Canon TR8620 All-in-One, which is the best all-in-one printer for the money in 2022. Canon has a reputation for high-quality printers, so it's no surprise that the Canon TR8620 offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio for a reasonable price. It also comes with several useful features, including a large touchscreen display, a 5-ink system for enhanced color reproduction, and convenient duplex copying and scanning to save paper. It has a large 4.3-inch color touchscreen display to easily navigate the settings, and it hinges 90 degrees upwards for better visibility. It also has an integrated SD card slot, which allows you to print photos from your camera's memory card. You get several wireless connection options, including dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, and you can connect it with the Canon Print app to print from your smartphone. It also offers Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple AirPrint compatibility for hands-free control and a dual-tray setup to keep different kinds of paper accessible. Unfortunately, the ink costs are above average, but they're not unreasonable and suitable for home offices. You get an all-in-one printer that offers printing, scanning, and photocopying functionality. It has an exceptional copying speed compared to competitors, and it offers respectable print and scan speeds. I believe the duplex copying and scanning feature provides plenty of value, and while it doesn't offer automatic support, it allows for convenient 2-sided printing. The overall print quality is impressive, and it utilizes a 5-ink system that produces images with sharp edges, impressive detail, and accurate colors. But some banding can be seen with darker shades. It also reproduces details well with scans and copies, and it has a 20-page automatic document feeder for faster scanning or copying with multi-page applications, although the letter forms are less crisp than the original images. The Canon TR8620 all-in-one printer is an excellent value option that outperforms its price tag. If you're looking for an option that can give high-quality prints and the versatility to ensure you're covered in all situations at a reasonable price, the Canon TR8620 will be a great choice. Next up, the Epson EcoTank ET3760 is a product a lot of people will love. It offers a solution to the annoying and very expensive ink cartridge problems with a traditional printer by having reliable ink. Just fill it and forget it, which is why it's our pick for the best ink tank printer in 2022. Ink tank printers offer some interesting advantages compared to traditional models, and the ET3760 gives you a cost-effective way to produce impressive prints. Although it's more costly than most printers up front, it features advanced image-enhancing technology for optimal images, a 30-page auto-document feeder, and an innovative design that offers long-term savings. It utilizes a unique design with several tanks that you fill with ink, which offers a convenient way to monitor ink levels and reduce recurring fees. It comes with several ink bottles that should last for around 2 years with regular work, or up to 7,500 total printed pages, which will add up to pretty significant savings over time, let alone save you the annoyance of buying new cartridges every few hundred prints. While the 2.4-inch color display is relatively cramped, it allows for easy navigation through settings. It's also compatible with the intuitive Epson Smart Panel Companion app, so you can print documents wirelessly from your smartphone and enable Alexa commands for voice-activated printing. You get excellent versatility and can scan, copy, or print your documents with paper sizes up to A4. I believe it comes with several useful features that set it apart from other ink tank printers, including automatic two-sided printing to save paper and a 30-page auto-document feeder to quickly scan multiple pages. It utilizes precision core heat-free technology that delivers up to 40 million dots per second and premium ink, which produces prints with excellent detail, stunning colors, and sharp text on nearly every paper type, although it might not be adequate for professional use. You also get respectable printing speeds of 15 pages per minute with monochromatic images and 8 ppm with color. The Epson EcoTank ET3760 delivers excellent printing performance and potential long-term cost savings compared to other inkjet printers. If you're looking for an alternative that can save some headaches and deliver great results and are willing to pay a bit extra upfront for it, the EcoTank ET3760 is a great choice. If you're someone who prints a lot and is looking for top-of-the-line quality use, maybe someone with a home office or running a small business, the Canon Image Class MF743 CDW might suit your printing needs and is our pick for the best laser printer for the money in 2022. The Image Class MF743 CDW is a powerful printer that can easily handle larger workflows and deliver stunning results. You get a robust feature set that includes simultaneous two-sided scanning for documents, a large display to navigate, and a range of connectivity options. It's definitely a heavy-duty option coming in at 64 pounds with a much larger form factor than other options on this list. But it's designed for heavy-duty printing and has an outstanding 4,000-page recommended monthly page volume. You get a 5-inch color touchscreen display to navigate through the menu, and it allows you to rearrange icons to your liking and create on-screen shortcuts for essential functions. I like that it only stores documents in the short-term memory to protect sensitive information. You also get some wireless connectivity options, which includes Wi-Fi direct support and NFC compatibility with your smartphone, along with an Ethernet port, a fax port, and a USB direct print port for JPEG, TIFF, and PDF files. While the cost is relatively high, it delivers outstanding printing quality that outperforms other laser printers. It produces sharp and dark texts, detailed grayscale images, and natural-looking colors with smooth mid-tone transitions, but prints tend to look somewhat light. The printing speed is slightly slower than average, but it prints documents with mixed text and graphics and PDF files with impressive speed. It delivers impressive copy and scan speeds, and it can scan colored images at 600 dpi faster than most competitors. You also get a range of advanced features such as simultaneous two-sided scanning, duplex printing, a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, and the ability to print several pages onto a single sheet. If you're a professional, maybe you've got a home office, print a lot regularly, or run a business, the Canon Image Class MF743 CDW is a great laser printer delivering high-end print quality capable of whatever you throw at it. If you're looking for the best of the best for home use, maybe you're someone who finds themselves getting photos developed regularly or ordering from print-to-order businesses, the Canon PIXMA Pro 200 is likely going to be the product for you and is our pick for the best overall photo printer currently on the market in 2022. The Canon PIXMA Pro 200 offers enough versatility to suit most printing needs, and it delivers outstanding printing performance to suit professionals. It comes with advanced technology that delivers class-leading photos, high-quality ink for premium results, and a host of image-enhancing software. You get a superb 4800 by 2400 DPI printing resolution and full photolithography inkjet nozzle engineering printhead technology that produces striking, detailed images. The included ChromaLife 100+ inks deliver excellent color reproduction and clarity, and although the cartridges are relatively small, you get an improved color gamut to more accurately replicate photos. It offers excellent monochromatic halftones that produce stunning black levels, which can be enhanced via the black and white mode. It can create panoramic prints up to 990 centimeters in length, and it has a paper transport mechanism that provides auto skew correction and retracting side paper guards for more precise results. It also has a borderless printing function that's useful for art media and the ability to print on A3 plus paper, but it lacks a scanner and automatic duplex printing to save paper. I believe the included Canon Professional Print and Layout software is an excellent addition that lets you edit and process photos, which ensures a high-quality final print. You also get Canon's Media Configuration tool, which allows you to manage various media types and provides insights from International Color Consortium profiles for optimized performance on various paper types. It offers a range of connectivity options, including a USB input, an Ethernet port, Wi-Fi support, and wireless PictBridge compatibility to easily pair Canon cameras. The built-in LCD display provides solid utility and is easy to navigate. If you want a high-quality printer capable of producing quality prints, maybe for a graphic designer or a true photo lover, the Canon Pixma Pro 200 is going to be a great option. It offers outstanding photo printing performance on most types of paper, a solid range of ports for connecting to your computer, and several features for more precise printing. Links to updated pricing on all of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.